Hello, guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Rex. I am an online entrepreneur and an affiliate marketer. In this channel, I'll be showing you guys how I was able to make money online and the ways that are working for me, how I got started, and how I got started without any money, and how I started making my first sales online. So stay tuned, guys. So let me show you guys one of my results that I got when I started, like in one of my Clickbank accounts. So here's one of my Clickbank accounts, and if I click on the search button here, you can see that I make up to $1,784 from this account alone, and you can see the different products that I've been promoting. And so that is it, guys. In this channel, I'll be showing you guys my ways that I got started with free traffic and the paid traffic methods that I'm using to get these results, so that I hopefully they can help you too to get started and start making sales online and make their face money online. So if you want to get more videos from me on the ways I've been using to get results online, all you have to do is subscribe and click on the notification icon. So you can be notified on the new videos when I post. I will show you guys the different ways to get started. There's a lot of money to make from online, and I'll show you guys how you can get started, because that first sale is what will really make you to believe that this is possible. I didn't believe it either until I got my first sales online. So I'll be providing you the best ways to get started, and I really believe that if you guys take action on the trainings that I'll be sharing with you, on the free trainings, you guys can also make sales too and make a lot of money, hopefully from the internet. Okay, so that is it, guys. See you guys in the next video. If you like this video, I would like you to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos that we're posting soon. Okay, see you later, guys.